Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add second level bullet point in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to add second level bullet point. At first, go to the home menu, select the new slide option, choose blank. Then go to the insert menu and select the text box option. Then create a text box. Then write anything. Now I am write some text. Then select the text. Click and drag on our mouse. Then increase the font size at first. Then applying the bullet point. We can see here many bullet point. You can add any. Then click before the text and press tab on our keyboard and select tab. Now we can see here the second level bullet point we make very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.